When you're launching an NFT collection, you want it to be a huge success. So what are the factors that people are looking for when they engage with your NFT community? A lot of people think about NFTs solely in terms of money. How much does the NFT cost now and how much will it be worth in the future? But when you're really invested in building an NFT collection for the long term, you can't just be thinking of terms of investment. So there are two specific areas that you should focus on, and they are purpose and potential. So aside from really creative or stylistic artwork, your NFTs should have a purpose. They should unite people around a common interest or a common goal. You can do this by having social impact goals associated with your NFT. You can do this by grouping together people who already have a shared interest. Maybe they are interested in a particular sport, or maybe they're chess fans, or whatever that might be. Maybe they have a particular culture in common. That creates shared purpose around the NFT collection. The other thing that people are looking for is potential. So if I participate in this community, if I buy this NFT now, what is the future potential for this NFT? How is it going to create value in the world and for me? So future value can be things like building the community more. Maybe there's a future community event where there's actually an in-person event. Maybe there is software that's being built to serve the community. Maybe there are other opportunities or access that will be given to the community as a result of them participating in your NFT. And so when you want to ensure the success of your project, don't think of in terms of short-term, how much money I can make, but instead think longer term about the people who you're actually involved with and what is the purpose of your collection, how you're going to bring value to the community.